The Synergistics module located in the Resonance Pro under the navigation with the extra modules will allow you to view a response of your client based upon a specific supplement or a specific herb that they may wish to ingest. As an example, by entering in vitamin B on this specific panel, it's going to reanalyze this specific panel that you have selected, and it's going to show you the results before and after. So in other words, now you can see how this specific results on this panel would change if your client had to take your vitamin B supplement. And as you can see, the results will now show a before and an after, giving you an idea in terms of how the body would adjust should they take vitamin B. As an example, if we have vitamin C, again, we can run a deeper analysis to see how the body would respond should they wish to take vitamin C. This is panel specific, so whichever panel you are on, that you then go ahead and select the extra modules, those are the items that you can scan against.